Today I'm going to be ditching the foundation, the concealer, the mascara, blush, lipstick, lip gloss, pretty much everything but eyeshadow. Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. If you do not know me, then you are crazy. I am TanglesInTiaras on YouTube. Nice to meet you. My name is also Mariah. I forgot to include that. Whoops. Today I am going to be using only eyeshadows for all of my facial makeup today. So my friend gave this idea to me. Shout out to Mirabel. Thank you for giving me this really cool video idea. I can't wait to do it. So yeah, I have all of my eyeshadow right here. Let's get started. I hope it actually comes out good. Because I'm only using eyeshadows today, might as well prime my face with some eyeshadow primer. I am using this one right here. It's by e.l.f. This is their primer and liner sealer. I've had this thing forever and it lasts forever, so if you ever see it, definitely pick it up. So I'm going to put this all over my face to prime it for the eyeshadow. Plus it's tinted, so hopefully it'll help act as concealer. Gotta say though, I'm gonna end up using a lot. So it kind of looks like a lipstick now. That'll be good. I'm going to use my Silla sponge to blend this out. I'm hoping I can keep some of the pigment from it using the Silla sponge. Really cheap, I never use it though. Like, this is the most action it's had in a while. Okay, so luckily this has covered up quite a lot, so I don't have to worry too much about coverage. Like, look at that, it's a pretty good match for my skin. Okay, so I'm looking through my palettes to see if I can find a color that's closer to my skin. And I'm not really seeing one, so I'm kind of nervous because I don't know what I'm gonna do because everything's either like super shimmery or not my color. I don't know how I'm gonna do this, but I'm gonna use this color right here. This is Biscuit, and this is by Ulta Cosmetics. This is like a really old palette, but that's what I'm going to be using. This is my crown brush, and I'm going to go into Biscuit. I'm going to try not to get any other colors, but it doesn't look like it's going to work. Ah! Oh no! Okay. This is going to be very interesting. It doesn't look too bad. Biscuit. Go away! Well, there's my contour for the day. Okay, foundation is done. It doesn't look too terrible. Definitely not gonna reach for my eyeshadow whenever I want to do my foundation. But I guess next I'm gonna do some contour and some highlight. I'm gonna use this shade right here in my L'Oreal La Palette Nude 1 palette. I'm also gonna be using this fluffier angled brush. Now, contouring and highlighting with eyeshadows isn't too crazy to me because I actually used to do this a lot in high school before I had anything to contour or highlight with. So this is just like taking me back to high school, which wasn't that long ago, but you know, it feels like forever ago. Okay, there's my contour. It looks a little patchy. Now for a highlight, I'm trying to decide if I want to use the same palette. If I have something in here I can use. Ooh, that would be pretty. Okay, I'm going to be using my Jelly Pong Pong Neapolitan palette. I'm also going to be using my Sonia Kashuk fan brush. I really enjoy using this brush a lot. So I'm going to go in with this color right here. I actually love this palette. I like to use it a lot. I haven't used it in a while. It's kind of been in my drawers collecting dust. I may start using it again though because I really enjoy it. Very, very nice. We are going to go into the eyes now. So I'm going to go into my La Palette Nude and this very loved eyeshadow color right here. It's kind of a shimmery color. So we're going to place that on the lid. Okay, so now I'm going to go in with my transition shade in this palette right here. And I'm going to be using this brush right here. This is a really, really, really great palette, by the way, if you're starting off. And all the eyeshadows are bomb. Now I'm going to go in with my Shiny Cosmetics palette. And I'm going to use this color right here. It's really pretty. It's the shimmery orangey brown. Okay, so now I'm going to use this burgundy color right here because it kind of matches the burgundy stripe right here. So I thought that'd be really cool. I'm going to put that in my crease. I almost dropped it. Okay, so now I'm going to do eyeliner. So I have this palette right here. This is the CoverGirl True Naked Jewels, and I'm going to use the black because this black is shimmery, but it is super pigmented. I'm going to use my Sonia Kashuk brush right here, and we are going to do our eyeliner. Well, maybe this isn't the black I like. Okay, I'm going to wet my brush, and I'm going to do it again, so this is more like an eyeliner. I'm just kind of stamping it, and I'm finding that that works a little better. Oh yes, now this feels more like eyeliner because I really got it wet. Not really sure how we're gonna do mascara yet, so I'm gonna skip that and I'm gonna go straight to brows. So I'm gonna use this angled brush right here, and I know which eyeshadow I'm gonna use for brows because I used to do this a lot. I don't know if it looks decent or not, but I'm gonna go back into this L'Oreal Le Palette Nude, and I'm gonna go into these two shades right here. I'm going to mix them together and I'm going to put them on my brows, and I think this will look okay. They're very brown. Okay, not my hair color at all. This is not lovely, is it? We're going to go into this Wet n Wild Au Naturel palette, and we're going to use this black. But we're only going to use a teeny tiny bit of it because I don't have black eyebrows, you know? But it's just to darken it up, hopefully make it a little less brown. Yeah, that really helped. I'm not too mad at this. This definitely will not change my brow routine. This is not something I will be doing because like they definitely look very dark, a little Sharpied on, which I did not want, but just gotta roll with it. Now, luckily I have a bunch of blushy pinks and stuff. Like, this is it. This is the one that broke, by the way. I think I'm gonna use this color for my blush. I think that'll be really pretty, and if not, then whoops. Okay, I don't want to look like a clown. Okay, this isn't too bad. We already did highlight, but I think I'm gonna do another highlight color because I just saw this color right here and it's super pretty. Like, so I'm gonna add that to my highlight. So this looks very sparkly and like, you gotta see. I like it, I like it, I like it, I like it. The eyelashes, I'm not sure. I'm going to use this brush right here. It's like for combing out your eyebrows. I'm gonna take my face primer and I'm gonna put it in this lid right here. And then I'm gonna take the shadow, put it on the lid. Now I'm going to mix it together, and maybe, just maybe, I can kind of use this as a mascara. Okay, so it kind of looks like mascara. It's not like mascara, but I think it'll get the job done. I'm gonna kind of like drag and scrape it off.
That was painful.
I don't really see much of a difference. So I'm not gonna say this is like a DIY mascara or anything because I don't see much of a result. Well, that was kind of a waste of time. I'm gonna curl my lashes and then we're just gonna move on. Very last but not least, I'm going to do lip color. I'm gonna do a bold lip because why not? I'm gonna mix these together. So it's like a reddish color and a pinky red together. So hopefully that'll work out. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take a chapstick, just applying it on your hand. There we go. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with those eyeshadows, and my brush is kind of wet. We're going to mix some on my hand. Oh, actually works very well. But I feel like it's all gonna be really patchy. Okay. This is the look. So this is why you don't use eyeshadow for your full makeup look. Although I gotta say, it came out a lot better than I thought. I thought it was going to be a disaster because I didn't think I'd find something that would match my skin tone. So yeah, this is it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you liked this video, then please click this thumbs up button. Also, make sure to subscribe down below and click that bell icon so you never miss an upload from me. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!